Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's 8.4 inches, it's the 2020 model, and it's the LTE version. As you can see here, what it comes with. Packaging contains the Galaxy Tab A. Again, it's the 8.4 inch, it's 32 gigabyte model. Comes pre-installed with a SIM card, wall and USB charger, USB cable, quick reference guide, and terms and conditions. And yep, here's the wall charger, USB cable, and the pamphlets. Okay, let's go ahead and power this on. On here, you can see this is the power button here. You got your volume rocker. Still have a headphone jack on this model. USB-C plug. And here, this is where you would use the ejector key in order to remove it. And this is where the SIM card and your micro USB or your micro SD card would fit. And you got your rear camera. See, this is the Verizon model. 4G LTE. I'll let this load up. Okay, it's asking if I want to set up a mobile data plan with Verizon. No, thank you. Go ahead and set up my Wi-Fi. Okay, it's connected to my Wi-Fi. I'll skip importing data. Okay, I just logged into my Google account. It's setting all that up right now. I don't need to back up, or I don't need to restore a backup. Okay, and I just went ahead and set up the passwords. Let's go ahead and finish this. The assistant, not bother with that right now. Okay, so I went ahead and just logged into the Google account and my Samsung account offline, so you guys didn't have to sit there and watch through all that. It's the same as pretty much all other Android phones and tablets. You got to sign into your Google account. You have to look for your Wi-Fi if you're going to hook it up to your Wi-Fi immediately. And if it's a Samsung phone or tablet, it asks for your Samsung account. And it gives you the option if you want to go ahead and import all your data from your other accounts or not, other phones, tablets. So this is it right here when it's already all set up. So this is the LTE version. It's the Verizon. So here, Verizon. This one's the 8.4 inch display. As for the specs on this, this is an 8.4 inch display. Like I said, this is the Verizon version, so it is LTE and Wi-Fi compatible. The processor on here is the 1.8 gigahertz octa-core. Video recording on this for the rear camera is going to be a 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. The battery size on this is about 5,000 milliamps an hour. The internal memory on here is going to be 3 gigabytes of RAM plus 32 gigabytes of storage, and you also do have the ability to do a micro SD card slot, which would go here. And this is also where your SIM card slot would go. And as you can see up here, you've got your headset plug. Here's going to be your power button, your volume rocker. And as you can see, I'm already charging it. You got your USB-C down here at the bottom. You got speakers here. This does house, it's a single SIM, so it's not one of the dual SIM models that you could see overseas. The micro SD, it can hold up to 512 gigabytes micro SD card in here. It has the Bluetooth version 5.0. So as I mentioned, the video recording on here is going to be 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. And the video playing resolution on here is actually 4K. So it will play back video at 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second. And the main display resolution on this is going to be 1920 by 1200. So the display resolution and the video play resolution does appear to be different on here. As you can see here out of the box, it appears to be running Android version 9 right out of the box and One UI version 1.5. If you're wondering what video formats this tablet supports, it's going to be the MP4, M4V, 3GP, 3G2, WMV, ASF, AVI, LFV, MKV, and WEBM video formats. And the audio formats that it supports is going to be the MP3, M4A, 3GA, AAC, OGG, OGA, WAVE, AMR, AWB, FLAC, MID, MIDI, XMF, MXMF, IMY, RTTTL, RTX, and OTA. The color depth on this is 16 million colors. It's a TFT display. It does have GPS. For the battery size that it has, like I said, it's the 5,000 milliamp hours. It's rated for up to 99 hours of straight music play time, or up to 12 hours of video play time, or up to 11 hours of internet use time. And apparently it's also Energy Star certified. Simple unboxing of the Galaxy Tab A 2020 model LTE. This is the Galaxy Tab 2020 model. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.